Alright guys, I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I was wondering. So a lot of videos of people using butterfly knives, and I thought, why stop at butterfly knives? Why not use a sock? See? Basically kind of like a butterfly knife, but without like the knife part, it's just like handle, see? Sorry you hear a little bit of noise, my parents are wrestling. Anyways, like I was saying, why stop at using a butterfly knife? You can use any type of sock, but it has to be a long sock. See, like the edge, like the middle, that's the flap. So okay, I was thinking, yeah, you can't really use it. You can kind of like fling it around. Because I know if I ask my parents, they're probably going to kill me if I ask them for a butterfly knife. Yeah, my parents are kind of boomers, but it's a butterfly knife. You can use it just like a normal knife, see? And why stop there? You can use anything, like, use some scissors. Yeah, I wouldn't really recommend playing around with scissors, but hey, you can use it if you want. Yeah, how I do that, I kind of just fling it around like random areas like this. See? It's kind of like a butterfly knife, but just more so you can use it on your bed like so. You can play around with it. Anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to make a video because I'm watching a bunch of people do tricks on YouTube Shorts with butterfly knives, so. Alright, well, see you guys again in the next video. Yeah, so bye.